my channel. Marta here, Mommy Bovision, however you like to call me. You guys, I missed you. I haven't seen you in a while, and I'm sorry about that. A lot has happened. Anyways, James, which he's right next to me, his last day of school is next week. I don't know if you guys, if it's too far. I hope you all can see me. I'm doing a video in the living room because today we're having I'm reviewing the Walmart delivery service and showing you what I got from Walmart. But these are the flowers that are still from my husband got for Mother's Day. I have some water here. It's not coffee. I was gonna make a coffee, but it's just water. James is right here doing homework next to me. Matthew is somewhere in the dishwasher. Hello.
Hi. Dad.
Or taking out dog food from their bowls and making a mess. Anyways, but he's around here. Can you bring him actually so he'll be... Guys, let's get... I guess we'll go straight into the video. But what I wanted to let you know is that next week James is out of school completely, so I'll be more free. You would think that the last couple of weeks will be easier, but they actually get way more work somehow, you know. So I've been very, very busy now, and will be until next week when he's done. For those of you guys that remember, we had they were out of school for like a week or so. We had freeze in Texas during the winter, so we had a little bit of snow and everything froze around here, and pipes exploded, and oh my god, it was crazy. So because they missed that school that week, I'm assuming now they get a little extra work at the end to just catch up with everything. Yes,
an extra weekend.
Right, so that's why, because you guys missed school that week, now you guys get like bombarded.
That was not supposed to happen. So
come here, say hello to everyone. But we'll get...
And they're like, okay, they get an extra break, they're gonna get more homework because... Well, you know why? It's because the end of the school year, they don't want us getting out. Hi guys, I made this. It's a DIY butterfly.
It is a cute DIY butterfly. See how he used this for the...
Yeah, we couldn't find the right label.
Okay, quickly, because we gotta get into the video.
Hi guys, my name's James. If you don't like her content, just go check out James' Bovision.
He did the same... Go away. He did the same thing as my previous video. He says, hi guys, my name is James. Yes, when I did the Michael's grab at the end, he said bye to y'all, and he said, you know what, if you don't like her content, just go to my channel, James Bovision.
It'll be the link. If it's not, I will take over her channels.
I have been hooked on Walmart grocery delivery, and it was by accident actually that I ordered. I can't remember what. Oh yes, my husband's car in the shop. He had to use mine. He, you know, when he comes home from work, I don't like to go anywhere. We're just home with the kids, so I was like, well, I don't have a car, but I needed groceries, and I don't like to go, you know, in the evening. So I was like, you know what, let me try this delivery service. And Walmart popped up, and I was gonna have delivery from another store, but Walmart popped up, and then I remember seeing another YouTuber that I was like, you know what? Why not? First of all, y'all know that I'm a sucker for good deals, and Walmart, I know that Walmart has, you know, good priced groceries. I don't often go there at all, but now I do because they deliver home. I usually buy from H-E-B or Kroger, whatever. But you know what, guys? I've been hooked. I've already ordered like 4 times from them.
4 million.
I've had 4 deliveries, and it's not even a month yet. And let me tell you how it works. You have to, first of all, they give you first 15 days for you know, free delivery. And then after the 15 days, I think it's $12.95 a month or $98 a year, which I think is a great price for them to deliver. But how much time you save? You know, it's crazy to me how amazing the service is. I can't believe I have not done this before. So anyways, also when they give you that 15 days free, I think if they ask you to rate a 5-star or whatever, they give you extra. So basically I got 1 month free service, and then of course I'm going to keep it for $98 a year, you know, or $12.95 a month, however you like. Obviously it's much cheaper if you do $98 a year, one price, and that's it.
So flow.
Ask Siri.
Hey Siri.
So anyways, it's $98 a year or $12.95 a month. So obviously it is much cheaper, you know, if you get it, if you just pay $98. and you know, and you're done for the whole year, or you know, but whatever, you can pay $12.95 a month. However, anyways, I will keep this service because it's I love it. So basically, you go in there, you pick a time slot. They tell you, they show you what they have available. It's best to do the night before because you have more time slots available. So you pick like from 1 to 2, or from 2 to 3, or 7 to 8. So they actually even have express delivery. Like I think they can deliver everything within 2 hours. Express delivery, that's $10. That's really amazing. So anyways, you go in there, you pick a time slot. They give you about, I can't remember, 30 or 45 minutes to get all your groceries together and pay before they give that slot to somebody else or cancel it. So basically you have to do everything within like I think 30 or 45 minutes, which is fine. It's a lot of time. You guys, it's so easy because you know, you don't have to go through the aisles and look for things and da-da-da. All you do is go and you click on that little, you know, magnifying glass and say, I need celery. Celery. And they give you the list. Organic, non-organic, what's on sale, whatever. Meats. You want pork. Oh, okay, I'm back. I am back. My kids are going crazy. Anyways, I don't remember where I was at, but yes, it's really that easy. Anything that you know, make a list the night before, or make a list and then quickly go and pow. Write everything on top. They're giving you a list of all the ground beefs and ground chickens and whatever that everything that you want to get. It's right there, and it's so easy. You add it to cart, you check out, and then they bring it to your door, and they leave it at the door, and you're gonna get an email or a text when it's been delivered. If you want, you can leave directions to the driver. Maybe, hey, put them on the table outside, or put, you know, or whatever. Like you can leave some directions to the driver, or you know, knock on the door when you're here. Whatever. I just let them put it at the door. They do their thing. I tip them ahead of time. Don't forget to tip your drivers because that's how they make their money. So of course, and you know, they bring all the groceries into your door, and you know, things like that. So yes. But that's it, you guys. Really, it's really that easy, and I don't mind Walmart groceries at all. Whatever I get from there, I'm happy with them. And there's some things like, you know, like fresh, whatever produce, you know, maybe HEB and you know, other stores are maybe a little more fresher, maybe, you know, but not whatever I got so far. It's great. I love it. Actually, I'm gonna take you guys on a tour over there in my kitchen and show you quickly what I got. The total for this was, I think, $269, so $270, and I got a lot of awesome things, and I don't have to but that's such a money saver too, because if I were to go to Walmart, there's no way that I would have come home with $270 worth of groceries, because I need, oh my god, so much more when I get there. And on top of this, other things, you know, on top of groceries, I always need something else. I always come home with a total that is not even what I planned. So this is money saver for me. You know, I get what I need. I don't look around and, oh, I need this, I want this, I want this. This is great. This is great. So here's Matthew. Hi. Yeah, Umbu. Where are you going? Okay, you guys, let's go ahead and show you so I can show you the groceries. The light is not too good now, is it, huh? Okay, so anyways, I got this hot dog buns, and I got burger buns, because we do during the weekend go outside, and you know, we have we like to eat outside in the back by the pool, you know, with a good burger on a grill and stuff like that. Then I got the cabbage for when I make my soup. Then I got three lettuce heads. I use this instead of bread, and I make sandwiches with them, and like I put meats in there and cheese and wrap it up really nicely with a little bit of sriracha and mayo. Oh my god, they're so good. And then I got lemons. I got this organic lemons. I think they're like only $3.98. Then I bought this bag of zipper bags over here. It was really cheap. I remember 80 bags for, I can't remember, but it was like $3 maybe. I can't remember really. But I don't know why I got the gallon freezer. I needed the smaller ones. I guess I made a mistake. Anyways, I actually also forgot to tell you that they do substitute. If there's something that they cannot find or they don't have, not that they cannot find, it's something that they don't have, they substitute and they send you an email for you to approve and say, yes, this is okay, or, you know, it's not okay. But for instance, I got some ranch and they didn't have the brand that I wanted, so they sent me another brand and I approved it. So yeah. Then I got these tomatoes on a vine, celery and carrots with the ranch for Justin and James. They love this a lot. And then I bought cheese. I also bought a big bag of shredded cheese. I think it's in the fridge. But I bought this Colby and Monterey Jack for sandwiches. And then I got this mild cheddar. This one, it's not from Walmart, but you guys, you know this. They're here because I cooked rice and pasta. You guys, these jars right here, you know that I got them from the Dollar Tree, remember? And if you watch my previous Dollar Tree haul, and I order a box. Actually, you know what? Hold on. Where's that box? The box is right here. Ooh. Got some Amazon packages here that I also want to show you guys. But look, this is a box that with all the 16, and they come like this. I already took out a lot of them, but look, they come like this, nicely packaged. Look at them, how just sit there. Do you guys see? Hold on. So they come like this. So I got 16 of them. They were delivered for free at the store. These are really awesome. And I'm redoing my pantry. And I also, look here, I also need to redo everything here. But like, this is some snacks here for, I still have to like redo the whole cabinet. But yes, you guys, these jars are amazing. They're not airtight. So, you know, these are great for like individual, and they're very easy to open. You just, yeah, these are awesome. Okay, let's go back to the groceries. But and then what else do I got here? So yeah, this are just here because I cooked. Then I got mushroom. I already used one big package. So I got butter right here, and this is like the third time I buy this. God, butter goes so well in my in my home. Hey, I'm trying to be on keto here, okay? This is not for me, and this is not for me, but I do cook it for them. Anyways, then I got mayo, then I got sugar-free whipped heavy cream, and I was so happy they had it, and I didn't have to go look for it, nothing. I just typed sugar-free, boom, right there. Calories only 20, 0 carbs, 0 sugar. Oh, hello. Hold on, I can't. Anyways, yeah. So I got a few of this. Then I got sugar-free coffee creamer. Then I got for our enchilada night some, you know, enchilada sauce, green, chile, and red enchilada sauce. I got a few. Then I got some crushed tomatoes. I got this for the taco night, refried beans and whatnot. This, I got some of this chicken. James loves chicken noodle soup. So if I don't have it cooked, he likes this as well for just like a quick, you know, like a midday kind of. Yeah, I don't like usually to give him anything canned like that, but when he does want soup and I don't have it like done by me home, then, you know, I have it here. Okay, then I got this for the some taco seasoning and some ranch seasoning. I got the ranch seasoning because I make a mean, what do you call those? Taters, cheesy taters with bacon, you know, casserole and ranch seasoning. I'll actually make a video for you guys one day. And then I got some carb balance mission. I think this is only like 4 net carbs, which is awesome, and they're really good. Then I got cucumbers. I got a couple of this. They're only like 2 something, really good cucumbers. Then I have here Italian parsley and cilantro. Then I got organic eggs, and the reason I got this jumbo eggs because I like the organic a lot, but I love this because a lot of them have double yolks inside. They're literally so jumbo and big, and many of them, like this one here, probably has double yolk. Look how big this egg is. I mean, really? So yeah. I got this, guys. I think these are like $1.08, I can't remember, and these are like $4 each. So we have that going on. Okay, let's quickly go here. I got some Lucky Charms and some of this frosted whatever. They already opened. I see. And then I got some orange juice. I usually don't get the great value. I get like the big Florida or whatever it's called, like the good orange juice, but they were out of stock. So I just got this right here. I have no idea why in the world would I get such a big I don't know. I don't know if I didn't pay attention or whatever happened. I won't use it probably until the end of my life, because I actually use them zero granulated, zero carb and zero sugar, you know, the one for me, for my diet or lifestyle, whatever. But this I bought because James wants to do a rainbow waffle breakfast, and he wants to do it on video for you guys. So I got, but I didn't need this big, but it's here, and actually it's not priced at all. And then I got some all-purpose flour. Then I got here better cheddar. These are cheddar hot dogs, the big ones, the good ones, and we do them outside. Oh, there's the big shredded cheese right here. I use that for enchilada night, for taco night. Then I got this. Oh, this is a really good price, and there are 24 ounces. Hickory smoked bacon. I think it was like, I can't remember. I think it was like $7 or something. Then I got this for my seafood boils. This is Poca kielbasa. You guys, let me know in the comments below if you want me to do a seafood boil for you. And then I got this. What do we have in here with real bacon? Fresh pork loin fillet for $7.45. Then I got a lot of chicken nuggets here. Great value. I would never try them. I will try them now. Then I got this by Tyson crispy chicken strips. Let me show you quickly. Right here. Then I got this for my sandwiches that I told you guys that I use this. I use this instead of bread, and then I put in there, cheese, and then I put, what is this here? We have ham, Black Forest ham. This was $6.59. It's really good. And then, like I said, some sriracha, some tomatoes, cucumber, whatever, avocado, whatever you want to do. And then ground beef chuck right here. This is for the taco night. And then we got some Vermont maple syrup for breakfast. Oh, and I got myself this sugar-free Jell-O snacks as well. They're really good, especially with this on top, this sugar-free whipped heavy cream. They're so much better together. And I think this is it. You guys know, quickly here I have 2 big bags of boneless skinless chicken breast. This is 3 pounds, and this was only like $6, and I got 2. You guys, I think this is it. If I'm missing something, it's because we ate it and it's not here. You guys, I'm included this little video here because I actually just realized that I did not show you everything here. So I bought this tube of Cool Whip right here. Look at this cat. Hello. Now get down. You don't belong on the table. Look how cute. Hello. Okay, so I bought 2 of this the Cool Whip. Then I got strawberries here. Then I have blueberries down there. And then I have 12. Hey, honey. Hey, come here. Then I got, hi. Okay, then I got 12 of this ground beef chuck patties for when we do burgers outside. And then I got this for $8 ribeye chops. So they're pork chops. So, yeah, I hope you guys like this haul. And stay tuned because the next video is me and James opening up some pink kitchen gadgets that we got, and some other things that we got for his, for his waffle, rainbow waffle. And then the video after is going to be the rainbow waffle with James cooking video. So, yeah, you guys have a good day. I miss you all, love you all, and we are gone.